It's here. The Robeta Apollo has arrived with us at Cara in Stafford. Absolute stunning vehicle. It's got a length of just under 6.4 metres and it's absolutely stunning inside. The furniture in the Robeta Campervans is made from recycled plastics and it saves you a whopping 220 kilograms on the way to your vehicle. Of course, you've got your normal swivel seats for the passenger and the driver's seat. You've got the Isofix on the two travelling seats, so that means 4 people can travel comfortably. And here, we've got 2 little bins. You've got a really neat hidden little worktop extension. The kitchen area has 2 gas burner hobs next to your sink with a mixer tap. There is so much storage throughout this camper van, from above the cab to underneath the seating areas and all of your lockers. There's even a handy door which actually separates the lounge area from the front of the vehicle. This model that we've got here at Cara has a 140 litre fridge. We've got a really good sized bathroom in here, some storage above the toilet, you've got your cassette toilet, you've also got the movable sink and the wooden duckboard. There's a spacious lounge area at the rear of the camper van, perfect for those evenings where you just want to relax and watch the world go by. But that's not the best bit. In less than 10 seconds, you can actually turn this into a double bed. The rear door fly screen, perfect to keep those insects out. How awesome is this? You've got an electric bed that comes down over the lounge area. You certainly can't miss the attention to detail in all of the Robeta campervans. The control panel tells you everything you need to know. One good feature is on the battery levels, it actually tells you how many days you've got, perfect for when you're off grid. Other features on this model is a 200 amp hour lithium battery and it's also got a 300 watt solar panel. Get yourself down to Cara in Stafford and come and have a look.